It's Monday morning. Time to have my woods patrol. To me, it's a magical moment. In the silence of the woods, you can sense the energy of nature. Out there in the wilderness is where you deeply feel free. You have everything at hand and no constraints. Imagine a place where time doesn't exist. Oh yeah, the rhymes of the seasons, the alternation of days and nights, the moon phases, but never the ticking of a clock to mark your minutes. Down there, behind the mountains, we live a pounding life, breathe the air that saturates our powerful cars, and the computer screens illuminates our days. The technological world encapsulates us, isolates us, keeps us far away from reality. But out there in the woods is where you really feel fulfilled, where your lost awareness comes back to you. Nature gives you everything you need. You drink pure crystal water and breathe clear air. The land is your mind script. You can read stories of the flow of life. And so you no longer feel isolated, and you can sense the deep connection between you and all living beings. And finally, you understand that here in the woods, nature will always welcome you and give you everything you need. Join me and get a taste of freedom.